Alright guys, it is official. I have my Ledger Nano Gen 5 in-house. Just got it in. I have a couple of my other ledgers sitting over here for comparisons. So when we take a look at everything, we can basically see size comparisons and stuff like that. And watch J-Money not be able to open up a box. Alright, just like we did with the Trezor unboxing, let's get this a little bit better in view, shall we? Let's take a look, see what comes inside of everything. We have the recovery key. I haven't actually set up my other recovery keys with the other ledger devices I have. Like I have a nice little pile up of these guys over here on my counter. So maybe I should really take a look at these, see how they work. But here it is right here. Looks all nice and fancy. Next, let's take a look at all the paperwork that comes in here. We're going to pull everything out. The super fancy dandy Ledger charging cable, seed phrase sheet, second seed phrase sheet, which is nice because a couple of the most recent Ledger devices I got only came with one in the box. And then absolutely important information that we definitely need to read, because reading is important, guys. So let me clean up this mess real quick. We'll get right back and we'll actually go through the comparisons. And as I was cleaning up, we have a third sheet. I like this. We need this. More of this, please. Multiple seed phrase sheets in the box. That's what I like. Now with my table mostly cleaned up, let's take a quick look at the Ledger Nano Gen 5. Cute little device we got right here. I didn't get any of the little stick-on things for it. Maybe if they come up with a J-Money crypto one, I might invest in one of those. But until then, it actually looks really nice. Let's compare it to the Flex. Seems like similar border. I didn't look at the exact screen size before looking at it. I think the Flex might be a little bit bigger. Look at the sides. Look at the back. Look at the left. Back straight on. Look at the stacks. Considerably bigger screen, obviously. A little bit thinner as well. Then obviously the Solana edition. Same thing as the standard Flex there. But to compare one more time. Stay. All right. And then the Ledger X. So definitely a little nifty device. I'm definitely going to have to play around it, test around with the screen, see if the apps are handled a little bit better, because on the channel I have a video showing my major issue with the Flex is the amount of apps that can install. I'm pretty sure it's the same storage, but again, I didn't look that up before doing this unboxing, so we'll have to see. But overall, nice little device, really light, where the Flex and the stacks definitely feel more premium. And this is what I would say. Right now during the holiday time, with some of the promotions that Ledger has been running, where I think it's you get $70 in Bitcoin or $80 in Bitcoin if you buy the Flex as kind of like a as a benefit of buying the Flex, it makes it the same price as this guy right here. So in that situation, if you count the Bitcoin as like cash back, I'd probably still go Flex over this guy. But once all those discounts and promotions are gone, this is a pretty cool little device just at quick glance. like I said, I really need to play around with it a little bit more, see how the screen works, how responsive it is. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. Are you excited about this guy right here, the Nano Gen 5? Or are you more interested in the Trezor? Since I have it just lying around right now, might as well do a quick little size comparison between these guys. So, all right, let me know in the comment section below what you guys like better. All right. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.